Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into myEcon and specifically three things that you probably did not know about myEcon. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. And number three will most likely surprise you. Now, really quick, my friends, I've been in myEcon for many, many years. I am at one of the top ranks in the entire company, and we have the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon. If you want more information on that, link in the description down below. Go ahead and check that out. And also, if you have any questions for me whatsoever, you can drop a comment down below, or I leave my phone number right at the top of this video. Send me a text message and ask me anything. Now, let's dive into it and let's go over those top three things about myEcon that you probably did not know. Okay, number one, and this is actually a two-part combo, okay? So you might have known that myEcon had a travel membership, although myEcon is really known for their finance strategies in regards to adjusting your W-4, shifting your income, putting more money back in your pocket, their credit repair. That is probably the biggest thing in the industry that they are known for, is helping people fix their credit. Well, a few years ago, myEcon added a travel membership, and it is a killer travel membership. Now, we're not here just to talk about the travel membership, and I have lots of other videos here on my channel where I break down exclusively just the travel membership. We compare that to things like Expedia, the massive discounts you can save. I even show you some hidden gems inside of the travel membership, but there is an exclusive hidden gem inside of the travel membership that you most likely did not know about, and that is a savings membership. So yes, like many other companies out there, like Savings Highway Global, that are exclusive saving memberships, this is where this is a combo deal. You not only get access to a killer travel engine that will save you, guaranteed to beat public prices, or they pay you the difference. Did you know that? Well, they do. And you can also earn points with this travel engine where you can redeem those points for free travel. So that is a great deal right there. But also inside of the travel engine is a savings portal where you can save massive amounts of money on the day-to-day things that you are doing in your life. So let's go take a quick look at that and show you how you can access this with your myEcon membership. So once inside of the travel membership, you're going to go right on over here to lifestyle. And then there's a whole bunch of additional services over here that you can utilize. And I want to highlight the one that specifically says shopping rewards. This is where you can start using the online discount portal, or also known as a savings membership, and you can save a massive amount of money. So as an example, if you have a car, if you have a vehicle and you need an oil change, you come on over here to automotive, and then you can start searching for all the discounts that you can get. You can tap on something like Valvoline, and then you can go right here. And if you go and need an oil change for your vehicle, you can go here, Valvoline Instant Oil Change, shop now. And then that's going to pull up a coupon, 20% off your next oil change. You can print that out. You can pull it up on your phone. You can take a screenshot of it. They can scan that at Valvoline and get you 20% off your next oil change. So that is the first thing about myEcon that you might not have known. Yes, they have a travel membership, which is incredible. And they also have a savings membership tucked into the travel membership, which is really, really cool. Now, let's talk about item number two on our list. Did you know that myEcon has been in business for almost 20 years? You can see right here, they are credited with the Better Business Bureau. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they have been literally around for almost 20 years in business. And that says something about all of these different make money online opportunities that are out there, whether it's, an affiliate marketing opportunity or a network marketing opportunity. It's great to be partnered with a business that has longevity in the industry. We've seen so many companies, so many business opportunities come and go. And even since I've been doing this in the last 7 years, I've seen companies that are here today and then gone tomorrow, and it is great to be part of something that has been around for many, many years. So if you're out there and you're shopping for a business opportunity, wouldn't it make more sense to do something that not only is credited with the Better Business Bureau, that has an A+ rating, but also has traction in the industry? They have been around for a long time and they will continue to be around because of the training, products, services, and compensation that they provide to you, the actual consumer and the member inside of the myEcon membership. So makes me feel good about where we are, our home for our team. We're in the right place with the right opportunity and the right people and the right business. So there you go. Now, lastly, my friend, number 3, and in my opinion, we're saving the best for last. This one might surprise you. So let's dive into it. So, number 3 here, we're talking specifically about income shifting. And this is one of the core products and services of myEcon and the membership. And you can literally get access to this for as little as $19.95. Okay. So, it is extremely cost effective to activate your myEcon membership. But what's great about the myEcon business model is you could be in profit. You could literally put more money back into your bank account, into your paycheck by hundreds of dollars per month, even thousands, depending on your job and your location and the taxes that you're paying. But you could be profiting hundreds of dollars per month, thousands of dollars per year with your myEcon membership without promoting the business. What does that mean for you? You don't have to share this with friends and family. You don't have to get out there and promote on social media. You don't even have to treat this like a business if you don't want to. And you can be in positive profit literally today if you go through and actually do the income shifting strategy. So how does it work? Well, let's dive into it. The income shifting strategy, or also known as correcting your W4, this is going to help you put more money in your pocket, take less money, okay? Less money that the government gets and more money that goes back in your pocket. And this is by filling out your W4 correctly, okay? Because this is the primary function behind this income shifting strategy. Most of the times when people start a job, they go and they fill out the W4 and they usually fill it out incorrectly. When you get to the point where it says, how much do you want to claim in taxes? We most likely usually will put a 0 or a 1. We'll have the most amount of money taken out of our paycheck. And then at the end of the year, we wish and hope and pray that we get a really big tax refund. Well, if you're using that business model, which is not the most sound business model, at the end of the year, you're only going to get a small percentage of what the government wants to give you back. Where if you do it correctly, you're going to shift that money around. You're going to put more money back in your pocket. And on average, what the myEcon members are seeing when they go through this process is about 10 to 15% more in their paycheck. So as an example, if you make $50,000 a year, you could be netting $5,000 or even more per year. That's like a 10% raise. Imagine giving yourself a 10 to 15% raise per month, per year, without having to ask your boss. And that's exactly what this income shifting process does. And there's videos here that walk you through exactly how to do that step by step so you could do it on your own and you could give yourself a raise again without having to ask your boss. This is how you can be in profit by hundreds and thousands of dollars with your myEcon membership without even promoting the business. And this is what a lot of people don't even realize or understand, the power in the myEcon membership. So the cost of admission is a very small fraction of what you can actually net and put into your pocket with this business. So there you have it, my friend. Top 3 things you probably did not know about myEcon. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't, but these are 3 things that I found really awesome about their business model. So if you're ready to get started, my friend, link in the description down below. If you have a job, I would get in little as $19.95. You could lock in right now, shift your income around today and be in positive profit today, but also maybe trust in the fact that you're going to be partnered with a great company that's been around for over 19, almost 20 years in the industry with a very solid foundation. And there's lots of other perks and products and services that you could be using to put more money back in your pocket. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you got value from this video. Otherwise, get in on the inside, my friend. It's much better in here versus standing on the outside looking in, doubting, pondering, debating, wondering if this will work. Yes, it will, as long as you work it. So link in the description down below. Get yourself started, and I'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.